Good morning. We are in Brisbane today. So, what to do in Brisbane? Let's see what all we can cover on foot today. Yeah, let me just wear my shoes. I am still unsure which way I'm going. Hi.
I think you can walk across the bridge.
Bridge and then come down?
Come down some right over there.
Mm-hmm.
20 minutes or so.
Alright,
Yeah.
okay, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
So guys, we are here at the Kangaroo Point. It's a suburb in Brisbane in the state of Queensland on the east of the Brisbane River. Parts of the Kangaroo Point are known as prostitution, and the major highlights, the Story Bridge there you can see, and the cliffs. Those are called the Kangaroo Point Cliffs. It's kind of a river peninsula with mangrove habitations, pretty much reminding me of Sundarbans, which had, or rather still has, the largest mangrove forest in the world. So as you can see, the bridge connects the Fortitude Valley, which is that side, to the Kangaroo Point where I'm at. This is basically a posh suburb with beer joints, eateries and 24-hour shops. While leaving from the Kangaroo Point, I might take you guys on the ferry. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a beautiful place. I hope I can gather up some money someday to buy a place here. That'll be awesome. Love you guys. Bye bye.
$4.96.
$4.96. I'll give you right now.
Yeah, please, yeah.